Good morning from Grandpa Farm. It's July 29th, 2025, and it's around 9 a.m. We're down to feed these animals. It's already getting warm out here. Here's some babies crying. JD and Harold fed, and now I gotta take hay down to the other end for the crowd. And now they're happy. Now back to top off the waters. Of course, as you see, Edith got a hold of the dish, one of them, poured it out. Now everybody's watered now. It's about 9:30, and it's like 78 degrees right now. It's getting warm quick. The weather guy says it's supposed to be around 99 today. Don't know if that'll happen or not. But we'll be checking the waters throughout the day. Since the pig likes to knock them over. Got the low pressure irrigation going on the side of the hill here. Still got to fix that valve up there for the irrigation line. This low pressure line is working well enough to water the weeds. We're watering these weeds on the side of the hill just to stop the erosion until we get something else planted there. And then want the water going too far up, because that's where the irrigation line is. It's on top of the hill. We don't want a muddy mess to work in. Anyway, it's getting hot, so I'm ready to get moving on it. I'm stopping.